Yes, ready. Sir, this is a very small ordinance and I welcome and support this bill because I know very well that our very ablest food minister who was previously the agriculture minister knows the problems of sugarcane growers and sugar manufacturers stop. Sir, out of the five mills that have been taken over, one is from my state of Maharashtra. Stop. That is the Jijamata mills, and the real problem of Maharashtra is regarding sugar production stop para. Sir, taking an opportunity to speak on this bill, I would like to raise some pertinent questions which are faced by the sugarcane growers of Maharashtra and the whole of the country. Stop, sir. Sugar industry is one of the main agricultural industries of this country because by way of sugarcane cultivation and sugar manufacturing in the private sector, in the public sector, and in the cooperative sector, our farmer is highly benefited. Stop. Now we have found that as far as Maharashtra is concerned, there are more than 70 sugar factories in the cooperative sector. Stop. Out of them, 75% are making profit, whereas 18 to 20 cooperative sugar factories are not able to make profits so far because the factories have been installed earlier and the machinery is very old. Stop. The cost of installing a factory was first rupees 1.5 crores. Stop. Then it had gone up to rupees 2.5 crores and now it has gone up to more than rupees 10 crores. Stop. So the capital invested in the sugar mills, the sugar that is produced in the factory, and the profit that is made by the factories in the private sector, in the public sector, and in the cooperative sector are really the problems today. Stop, sir. My government is looking into the problems of the agriculturists. Stop. The farmers, the farmer is the backbone of the country. Sir, you might have noticed in the President's address where it is mentioned that we have made a tremendous progress in food production. Stop. Every year we could increase food grains production by 9.6 million tons in the last 4 years. Stop. I think no other country in the world has made such a progress in agriculture as India has made in the last 4 years during the period of our beloved late Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi. Stop para. Sir, the sixth 5-year plan has generated a tremendous monetary and food power in this country. Stop. And I am proud of my nation. I am proud of my farmers. I am proud of my sugarcane growers that they have contributed a lot for the development of this nation. Stop para. Secondly, thing is we have been constantly raising in the house that agriculture should be treated as industry and it should be brought at the level of industry because no industry in this country has matched agriculture. Stop. But we could not give economic justice till today to the agriculturists. Stop. In spite of that, our agriculturist is so much tolerant, he never complains. He has always supported us. He has always supported the national cause. He has always supported the high principles of Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and our beloved late leader Srimati Indira Gandhi. Stop. But now time has come as modernization of other countries is taking place. Electronic industry in coming up and we are manufacturing very sophisticated machinery in the field of industry. The war machinery and other machinery in the same way. We must make agriculture also the most sophisticated and scientific industry. Stop.